Okay, hey people, I got here a ABUS number 7240. It has a very jagged, restrictive, ward-filled keyway. As you can see by the key, it's got a lot. It's got 4 wards on that side and 5 wards on this side. At any rate, I couldn't get this lock open originally because this piece right here of the key, which would be right there, was broken off and actually held up inside one of the wards there. But once I got it open, once I got it out of there, I was able to open the lock, which in itself is not particularly easy. It's a pretty tricky little lock to pick. There we go, it's a nice false set. The feedback in this lock is very subtle, to say the least. There we go, finally. As I was saying, not an easy lock to pick at all. Damn, I'm all ill-prepared to gut it for you. just do a partial gutting here, seeing as it doesn't function with the key at any rate. But there's the stainless steel core, and I can actually turn it 180 so you can actually see. You can see that all 6 key pins are present, and of course all the drivers will have dropped into the keyway, and then we'll just go ahead and lock it back up again. Okay, so there it is, the ABUS number 7240. If you did indeed send me this lock, please sound off because I've forgotten who you are. You sent me this lock along with a LOCKOUT, so please, in the responses and comments area, please go ahead and leave me your username or PM me or whatnot. At any rate, peace as always. Thank you for the lock. Hopefully I'll be able to get this one someday soon. This is one that Kokomo Lock sent me, which just is completely insane bidding, and haven't been able to pop it yet. So till next time, have fun, and thank you Sparrow's Lockpicks for the support.